Hi guys, what's up?
Where did you guys just fly in from?
Jamaica. Yeah?
I can't. I just did later.
Okay.
Just put your mask on, okay?
Oh, okay.
I know.
Oh, for sure.
It was crazy finding this place.
Hi guys, what's up? And today I'm gonna do exam and check my eyes. So I'm not really allowed to put my mask down. So I'm gonna talk to you like this. The mask have to cover your nose. Yeah, so came here is a LASIK Vision Institute, and I hope my exam gonna be good and I can pass for the surgery. And now I'm gonna fill in the form, so let's see. So that's how the place looks. And
So how long have you been wearing glasses or contact lenses?
that's arrow.
How long have you been wearing contact lenses? 1 to 5 years?
5 to 10 years.
And how long have you been considering LASIK surgery? Within the past year, several years.
Since I started wearing glasses.
What is your time frame for having LASIK? Within a week, within a month?
I did my last exam and I had like -4. Past several months I wasn't feeling right.
You have to tell me which one of these activities cause your eyes where you can't do? Because it's sporting. Sports.
Wait, no, it's not sport.
Reading.
Reading newspapers.
What about computer?
Yeah.
Computer?
I lost my eyes when I was
Computer?
a student.
Yeah.
Computer also.
Occupational?
What is occupation?
Like a job?
No.
Job?
No.
Vacation, sports, driving.
That's fine. Yeah. Because probably I was reading too much books. That's how my eyes got really bad. But my mother, her eyes are not really well, and she lost her vision, her perfect vision, when she was, I think, about 20, and I lost mine when I was about 12, I think.
Do you know these apply to you? Like you have problem with night glares and hairless, rubbing of the eyes, debris between eyelashes?
Yeah, what is rubbing of the eyes? Yeah, and
Itches, itchiness, sandness, wettiness.
sundness. Yeah,
Foreign
dry
body,
eyes.
tearing, foreign
No.
body sensation.
No, that's it. Yeah, and the reason why I want to do that surgery because I'm feeling discomfort in my eyes, so that's why I came here. Yeah, I have irritation, regular, and I want to get rid of it. I want to feel free. I want to see good. I don't want to wear my glasses, so that's why I'm here. That's why I'm waiting on my surgery. But first I have to do an exam, so the doctor can tell me the best advice and the best surgery, probably. Because even though it's one laser, the laser has different types, so which type is gonna be more suitable for me, they're gonna advise. I am not really excited, I'm more scared, but I hope everything gonna work out and guys gonna see me without my glasses, because now I took off my glasses and I can't see nothing. You can just see everything blurring.
Perfect.
And here's Leo. I am 24. Cheese it. Leo came to cheer me up. Hug mommy. Leo. So guys, just now the doctor lady, she took a lot of pictures of my eyes, and I just hope that I will be allowed to do my LASIK surgery. Let's hope. But I saw she wrote like normal somewhere, so I hope I am not the worst patient. So yeah, I'm just waiting here, waiting for her to come back, and that's how the room looks. They're gonna test me again. So I will spend here from 60 to 90 minutes. My husband and kids, they gone to the park nearby because they were not allowed inside. Yeah, so only patients they can stay in, but visitors cannot. So they are waiting on me outside, and I hope Leo and Danny, they are not gonna stress out Errol. Yeah. They just put something in my eyes and it's sticky. Can you see? It's like a bright yellow color. Yes. It's like they put a glue in my eyes. Oh, my skin is yellow too. What if I will close my eyes and never open because it feels like glue in my eyes. Eyebrows not on flick. Need to check. I am qualified for this surgery, and they're gonna try to squeeze me as soon as possible, so I can do it shortly because I want to do everything as fast as I can. And I am just a little bit scared because I don't know what I'm gonna experience, but the lady at the reception, she told me not to worry. And today I'm gonna wear my sunglasses over my glasses, and I have no idea how it is possible, but they said it's possible. Yeah, and also they told me to not look at the bright light and just try to get rest. Yeah, and now I'm waiting on Errol to come back so we can discuss all the details with the receptionist lady here. Okay guys, so and by the way, you know, Errol found somewhere Jamaican cuisine and he's gonna carry me a Jamaican oxtail, so yum yum yum. Somebody gonna have a really tasty lunch. So guys, you can see my yellow eyes. Excuse my yellow eyes, or no, or it is gone. I think it is gone. Yeah. And guys, so the doctor told me that I cannot wear makeup for about 2 weeks after surgery, so no eye makeup. And I love eye makeup. I cannot survive without it. I want my eye makeup, but you know, I gotta do what they said. And alright guys, see you later. I hope the surgery will happen tomorrow. Look, my pupils are so damn big, like huge. Do you see it? I'm afraid of the sun already. It looks so weird. And big guitar. It's a hard rock hotel and casino. Guitar! Yeah. Well, anyway guys, I'm going to do my surgery, my LASIK surgery. And Errol and kids, they will spend all day together without me because family is not allowed inside the LASIK center. So let's hope everything gonna go smooth and they're not gonna stress out Errol that much because I will not be available for today here.
Okay, Kisa, good luck with your surgery. Love you.
Love you too. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Don't forget to feed me your breakfast.
How do you then, by the way?
You sure PH?
Yeah. Oh, breakfast at my door. Alright, yeah, I'm sure. Remember, PH. Alright, bye.
You have to strap Leo.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna strap him. You pull him seatbelt. I don't know, so we get ticket in America for that stuff. Come out with me. Come here. See? This, just press PH, see?
Oh, okay. Papa.
Paka. 7.
Early morning, and it's the day of my operation, my LASIK operation. So which will happen shortly, really soon. And I'm feeling so kind of excited, kind of scared, and I just want to get rid of my glasses. So yep, I just had a surgery right now. So what do you see in my eyes? I feel a little blurry, like I see things and it's blurry. Yeah, but I can see stuff. Wow. I'm real sorry I couldn't record nothing in the surgery room because nurses were busy and I didn't want to, you know, spoil the procedure. Yeah, so I got no video from my surgery room, but I'm here recording for you guys the result. It's amazing. You can see. Yeah, so today I cannot go outside. I need to go sleep and wear my glasses, sleeping in the glasses, another glasses. I got two different types. Yeah, I'm gonna change them within night and day. Feeling nice.
So you could have to put our chips in our mouth and miss. Are you blind? So you do a surgery in a real chance. You want in your hand? No, it's not there. So pick up back Swaggy, done the shopping. Swaggy, I want to see what shop to drop. Yeah, we shop to drop over there. Sanitize Danny, sanitize. What you will let running man? We go back a Target because the mall is closed. The mall not until 11 o'clock.
Well,
And at 10:05 now, they still but Target open.
the same Target?
Yeah, same Target. But we did some more shopping with. Yeah, so get Swaggy one. So you come like you couldn't see the sanitizer, see what I pay short say.
Where?
See that? When is that?
Yeah.
I need to doctor them say to go home and sleep, so let's get you home and sleep. Hey doctor that? Hey, see doctor that? Okay doctor. Okay, so let's go. So guys, take care, get Swaggy home and chill. She can't do anything, she'll be asleep.
No,
You see your clothes? I'm coming Danny. Alright. Take care guys.